Snater dismisses Roy. It's a family affair to start with here at VRA. And England lose their first wicket. Oh, goodness me. It's gone all the way for 6. What a shot that was.
Down the wicket, down the ground. That'll be over our heads, I think. It's not in the box, is it? Over the top. Great strike from David Malan.
Partnership between David Malan and Phil Salt.
Straight and hard for 4 for Salt, and that is a half century for Phil Salt. Very fine innings.
Goodness me. Not the first time we've seen that baseball hit from Salt today. Malan goes down the ground and he goes all the way.
Maiden 100 for Phil Salt. Given the opportunity at the top of the innings, and he has taken it with both hands. Well, that's coming this way. That's coming this way. And he's out of the ground. And he's done it. Would you believe it? They needed something special. They needed somebody to stand up and make a difference. That man is Logan van Beek. And that is the end of a quite brilliant maiden century for Phil Salt.
Wow, hands, hockey, short side, downwind, doesn't matter. Butler's got his first 6. Chance, don't go in too far. He's gone in too far. I can see him right in front of me. He's charged in. Oh, you're not getting to that one. This one to long off. This is a chance. Oh, my goodness me. No Musa.
Lovely.
Simple enough into the onside for David Malan, his first one-day international 100. And a magnificent one at that, off just 90 deliveries.
6 more, and I reckon that's the longest of the lot. What an enormous hit. I think that's still going now. Sits back, pulls it out to deep mid-wicket. It's gone all the way for 6. 100 for Jos Buttler, the second fastest in the history of one-day international cricket for England.
High. How far? Not far enough. Not far enough, and they've struck the wicket of David Malan. Swing straight away. I think they might have pitched just outside, perhaps, or he's gone for it. Going upstairs for a look.
You need to reverse your decision to out. Stand by. You're on screen now. You can make the signal.
I think that's better. First one might have been toe into the bat. That one has gone over our camera tower, over the sight screen. New balls, please. Straight. 6 more into the side screen. England's fastest ever ODI 50, and it belongs to Liam Livingstone. 17 balls, 5 fours and 5 sixes. It certainly will. That is a new record for England, and a world record in one-day international cricket for the highest ever score. That one sounded so good into the hospitality tents, and it will be 498 for 4.
Bowled. David Willey strikes. First blood to England. Vikramjit Singh, he looked in good order, but Willey's got the better of him.
Nice shot. Beautiful extension of the arms, and I think that goes all the way. Does he get enough of it? He does. Up and over. Mid on again. It doesn't hit the commentary box. It hits where the actually journos are, the written journos. I think he's broken the window.
Oh, that's clever from Musa Ahmed, but not clever enough. What a great catch. Superb from Adil Rashid. What a wonderful tumbling effort, getting around behind the wicketkeeper. Initially, I thought Musa had done that nicely. Bowled. Topley strikes. O'Dowd looking to be expansive. And he misses, and Topley hits.
Short ball, top-edged and taken. Liam Livingstone back on the park. Moves to his left smoothly. Sam Curran picks up his first wicket. Tries to go long on. There's a man there. And he has picked him out. Phil Salt, who is usually found with the gloves on for Lancashire, does just as good a job. Gone, got him. Moeen Ali picks up a third.
Bowled. David Willey strikes. Peter Saylor giving himself a little bit of room to go down the ground.
Oh, beauty. Good Yorker from Curran as ripped through Snatter. Sam Curran's got a double. Bowled him, little edge maybe, onto the stumps. And Topley picks up another one as well. Gone, edge and taken. Jos Buttler takes the catch. Dawood Malan has his first wicket in one-day internationals, and England victorious by a large margin here today. 232 runs. They have been dominant. It has been a brilliant performance from Owen Morgan and his men with the bat, and the Netherlands managing to get through 49.4 overs in response, bowled out eventually for 266.